If you are dealing with deep pain or emptiness because someone left you, this video is for you. When someone you spent years with, someone you created memories with, suddenly walks away, no matter the reason, it leaves a deep scar in you. Maybe they betrayed you. They chose someone else for you instead of you. Maybe they left once their purpose was served. Or maybe they decided you were no longer worth their time, energy, or commitment. Whatever the reason, let them go. And I know that's hard. Every instinct inside you will want to hold on. You will want to explain yourself, prove your worth, convince them, pray for them, show them that you are worthy of their love, their friendship, or their partnership. But if someone chooses to leave for career, for money, for another person, let them go. Cry if you need to, scream if you must. Do not suppress the sadness, the betrayal, the suffocation, or that hollow ache in your chest. Feel it, but do not chase them. And yes, you may feel anger, revenge, or hatred towards them. Okay, you may want them to suffer the way you did, but don't wish pain upon them, as that will create another karmic cycle with them. Okay, their role in your life was to teach you some lessons and balance their karmic debts from previous incarnations. Okay, so the more you hold on to those anger or hatred feelings now, the more you stay energetically tied to them. So instead of holding on, forgive them. Forgive them genuinely, not for them, but for you. Let the universe deal with them. You just close your karmic account with them. Okay. I tell you, every act, every word spoken, every thought created, the universe keeps a record of everything we think, even when we think that nobody knows, nobody watches, or nobody listens. Okay. So let the universe intervene. You just forgive and let them go. Moreover, now you cannot heal if you keep reopening the wound, okay? And you cannot heal in the same place where you were hurt. So consciously stop revisiting those memory lanes, stop replaying those conversations, and stop imagining what if. Okay, give your life some direction, even if it feels forced in the beginning. And when the intense pain settles a little, now sit with yourself, reflect. What was the lesson that relation taught you? Did you overgive in that relation? Did you ignore the red flags? Did you lose yourself in that relation? Or did you stay silent when you should have spoken? Or did you overtrust without boundaries? Just find your part in that suffering. Okay, these are not the questions to blame yourself. They are the questions to upgrade your soul. Okay, because if you do not learn the lesson, the life will bring it back in another form. Different people, same situations. But once you understand the lesson, redirect your energy. I know it's easier said than done, but that is the only way you break those karmic bonds and attract your soul tribe. You know, people who you resonate with. So build something meaningful out of your life, something bigger than you, not into proving anyone wrong, not into revenge, or not into becoming successful just to show them. No, redirect your energy into building a life that you genuinely want. Pour yourself into your dreams, your goals, your health, okay, your purpose, and immerse yourself fully into it. And slowly, the right people will start entering into your life. People who will support you, nurture you, value you. Not because you chased them, but because you evolved. Okay, and when someone from your past tries to return, remember, they are not attracted to you. They are attracted to the life you built after them. So this time, choose yourself. Okay, so when someone leaves you behind, do not chase them or beg them to stay. Just let them go. Feel the pain, the hurt, the anger, feel your emotions, but move on with your life. Find some goals you truly care about and move forward. Okay, learn the lessons that the relationship or that person has taught you and move on. Build a life for yourself and life will find you again. Thank you for listening. See you in my next video.